guys, so I'm at the bus stop waiting, but just realized that I want to upload this video. However, I didn't do an introduction to say what I was doing. So yeah, it's just basically a do-it-yourself hair bleaching thingy. Of course, you guys will understand. Now I'm going over there, so you guys will understand by the end of this video. Yeah, look on the bus number, guys. Never take bus before. Yeah. So yeah, it's just showing how I bleach my hair really quickly over here. Not much technique, nothing nothing much to it, but you guys can give it a try if you want. And yeah, here goes the video. Alright, I find an old Japanese toothbrush I usually use at school, because here after lunch, Japanese people, no offense, but they don't brush their teeth nor shower in the morning. So usually the first time they might brush them teeth are after lunchtime at school, and the teachers also do it. So you know, maybe they just adapt to the culture. And I mean, that's good to brush your teeth. Well, for me, 3 times a day. For them, probably 1 time or 2. But anyways, apart, that's besides the point. So I had this in my school stuff. We're not gonna use it again, so I'm gonna just use this and mix up. When I mix up, somebody text me. I'm gonna use it and mix up when I mix up. And me probably just use my hand, because as me say, I'm not fancy nothing me I do. And then me just go shower and wash out my hair and show how it come out. Yeah, I mean one have like, anyways, so come back. Alright guys, so see it here. Ignore the big belly. Oh! Should I probably put on a mask? So I'm not gonna use all light, because as I say, just the edges may I use, and me just as throw until my ancestors say stop. I have not done this in a while and it'll kill me. Maybe I need to open a window too. Alright, that's all I'm gonna use. Well, now let me open that window here, because it feels like I'm gonna die. Give me a second, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna throw that. I'm not gonna use any more of this, so this will be the last. I'm just gonna throw it away. And then again, me not know, just I go do it till my ancestors say stop. It's creamy. Yeah, there's so much more left in the bottle. I could have done like 10 people here. And then I'm just gonna mix it. Alright, this feels too thick. I like when Jesus Christ. I like when black people cook. We just throw the seasoning till my ancestor says, stop my child, that is enough. Alright. Really creamy. I don't know if I can see it, so it's not even runny, which if I remember when I used to do my hair in Jamaica, that's how it should be. But again, what's the worst that can happen? Except either that chemical something that kill me off, or my ear drop off, and I like short hair anyways, so whatever. I'm hungry. I'ma just eat like 3 minutes ago. I'm confused. Alright. If I mix it out like corn meal porridge, no lump. Yeah. I think it's good to go now. Sorry guys, camera pause. Yeah. So I'll put on my gloves. I'll put on my old blouse or something. And then I'll come back. Alright guys, I come back. So I'm gonna put on the sweater here. A brand new sweater, one time wear, but it's kind of short for me, so whatever. And and I only find kitchen gloves, so hopefully it don't burn through. Is that even possible? I don't know. And then what else me need? I want elastic in my hair already. Ready! Alright, so don't judge my hair. Do not judge my hair. So just pop that out. One. My hair is here. Again, I'm not visible. So if you wanna see, yeah, so I can see so a little bit there, but it was like I have a bump, I can see it. It was like from all the way up here, so it grew out. So, and I think I cut my hair like about 3 times since in the Japan. So yeah. I want to spread something in case I mess up the place. Don't hold on. Alright guys. I have the blanket here. I did get with my apartment. I just come here. No, what this them called blanket. I'm just gonna spread it on the ground in case like anything drop. Cause you know? Yeah. Alright, so let's go. I feel like if I just use my finger. Which one if I do it? Yes sir? Which one if I do just yes sir? 1 inch, 2 inch, or I don't know. My ancestors will guide me. Smell strong ya frig. To fly. Kids, don't try this at home. Yeah, don't follow me. This is called cheap and clean. Yeah, I feel like it better me use my hand, people. This is called cheap and clean. No wonder something drop on my face, you know. Cause I'm currently in the process of doing chemical peeling. Me do the first session already. Me did try record it phone, but never really come out to nothing. To a whole video. So, cause some parts, like when you're going to one of the room them to finally do the chemical peeling, it was private, so like I never bother ask them if I could record it. This about my eye. Bad. Bad. I'm gonna do the next front so I can at least catch them up. Feel like my talk really soft. I feel I'll probably turn up the volume on this. Should probably put that somewhere. I'll put it on the ground. Alright. I know I just my ear about my business.
That's what I did even, but again, who cares? What the fuck? Me here catch up on 5 times. Let me say me just want to go razzle dazzle in my life. Guys, my hair jump from about a month now. That ever I'm to now, comment below and tell me. And if you ever am to know, what to do to stop it, because your girl is tired. Right, I don't want this to share some hair though. Not even remember how long you're supposed to stay in there. Me usually just looking at the mirror. It's fun, you know. And when I to the top too, though, we just usually looking at the mirror. Whew, it's not coronavirus, it's just this. Me usually just looking at the mirror. And Mrs. It's that change. See that? I take it out. Enough. Me mix up, guys. I just do the end them. And I still enough me mix up. Should I find on top if you talk to me about why I do this? Anyways, I can't tell me what's going on in life. Right now I'm stressed out, but I'm still holding on. You know what I said? Feel like I'm crying right now. Feel like I'm crying right now. Guys, the contraption you can like bleach board stuff, like board furniture.
Alright, I'm gonna go for pizza and towel. Because if they mess up the place. My mama. We good, guys, we good. Tell us our ancestors ever apple back. Yeah. No, me never born with no edges. Seriously, so no don't judge it. Seriously, I used to go infant school because me an infant. My mother used to have like shiny bump the front of my hair. and then give me whatever style she give me, and I could never have no edges. And then I know wear wig on them, so this is not that day. Me just never have none. Me never born with none. By the way, me see them a sell edges like on stickers. I was showing Abby, that's my best friend. Me there show her yesterday. So me says these people be out here fooling us. Me see them nice edges and me I say, wow, you guys are gifted. Like me think me go too far with that one, your people. Boy, murder. Me get one next elastic.
I just put it around the front this so. Yeah. And that's it. That's it. So I'm gonna make it stay a little bit. I'm gonna watch it on the mirror and then I'm gonna take a shower, come and just work out and wash my hair. I'm really sure now we'll see if it do little razzle dazzle as we say. Okay? So I'll be back soon. I'm back soon. Should I? No, I have more gloves so I can't show this. I'll be back soon. BRB. This is where we're going to do an advertisement. My favorite advertisement growing up was Lucky Cows. What's yours? If you put one click on Lucky Cows in there, nothing say them I go take it on up on YouTube. I don't know. I don't like some monetize, so yeah, we are lucky.
Alright guys, so the front basically done, but the back I looked at it and it's not done, so I'm waiting a little bit more.
Alright guys, yeah, me think the back done now. Me can't really show you, but I think it's done now, so I'm gonna show me here and show and whatever. So when I finish, I will come back and show you guys. Let's see if it turn out to nothing.
Alright people, I just done wash my hair. This look like me on the hair, but my hair look like the bald-headed stepchild. Don't make a man treating her like a bald-headed stepchild. Anyways, so I don't see it yet because I catch it up at the back. Listen, I not care for hair. People know me know that. Like, me not care me hair, but I know two things. You're supposed to wash your hair with, like, it's better to wash it on the colder end of the spectrum water, the water spectrum. Yeah, but I live in the north and I wanted a hot shower, so I use hot water. And two, you're supposed to dry it with a t-shirt instead of a towel. I didn't dry it at all. It's dripping at the back. So I just make gonna see. I make me see if it do, and then I'm gonna go and put on some clothes and stuff. So let's check it, okay? What I thought if you know do, me just gonna share myself on YouTube. Oh, it do man. Ah, as me say, my hair wet, but I think it's done, right? It looks like it's done. There's a lot right there. Let me say, I just wanted a little razzle dazzle, and I think that's what it gave me. A little razzle dazzle. That's how it look like. Say it the more. And if I comb it out so that we can see it, but yeah, it do, people, it do. So if you all know, we're probably there abroad like myself, into a country where the black skin is a mystery to them. When I can't just do that, I should I put some more right? So I can't just do that, you know? When I can't just do that, and I can just do that because it works. With 3 little thing, one stationery something, no 4 little thing, one toothbrush, buy the powder and the developer from Amazon.com, and you're good to gizzo. Yeah guys, I have curly hair, but as I said, I don't gear my ear. So now I'm just gonna put in, me have one avocado moisturizer. Let me show you now. I have this Cantu avocado moisturizer. What is up with the ashiness, Cornelia? I'll put it in there, drop little oil in there, part it, and can right go back in at 2. Yeah, but I just wanted to see if it was done. Should I probably take one picture for like the what do you call it, something, the thumbnail, but like me need one picture where I make it show. Alright, yeah, so that's it, guys. So it did take. Me don't know. Me not see it back. I guess I'll see it when I'm editing it. But yeah, it take. So the mission was accomplished. The mission was accomplished. I just me figure part me here and yeah. There it is. It did take. How do I take one screenshot like this? It did take me. I took a picture like this, guys. So useful thumbnail. So anyways, yeah. It take. Cheap and clean. So that's where I'll be closing the video. I'm still hold my hand on my head. Come, I just want to take one picture and me done. That's where I'll be closing the video. Let me know if you guys ever bleaching the hair by myself want to do. When I was in Jamaica, I used to bleach it by myself, but I did it differently. But I have to use the resources that's given to me. So yeah, that's what I had and that's what I used, and I got the outcome. Yeah, I wasn't even really watching it. I was just on my phone. I don't think I made it stay in there for even 15 minutes really. So if you want it brighter, just make it stay longer. But I was ready to bathe because, as I said, I did done workout. I did just ready for bed. So yeah, but if you want to try, let me know. Also, guys, I want to ask a favor. My little YouTube just grow, it just start. So I mean, say slow and steady, nice and easy, and haul and pull. Help me get to 200, just 200. So please tell a friend to tell a friend. And subscribe, like, share. And you can comment. Me will talk to you. Me like talk. I like talk, but me talk to you. And yeah, me know if we not gonna try this my way. So that's the idea. Do more than I said, but who cares? So yeah, that's where I'm gonna close the video, guys. I'm a hungry bird. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. When that will be, I don't know. I'm just winging it, like how I wing my life. But I'll see you guys. Mwah. Bye bye.
Good morning, guys. I look like a hot mess, but I'm supposed to know by now, so I don't really care. I don't really care. Anyways, so if you want to see me here, this flat like this about 2 days now. I've been saying that I'm gonna bleach back my ends. I had bleach ends before. Don't let me find a picture for sure now. But yeah, it grew out, so I'm gonna bleach back my ends. I'm not do it no dressmaker. Not dressmaker. I'm not doing it. Jesus. Anyways, I now workout clothes, come just workout. I'm straying here. I'm saying I'm not gonna do it like how. I'm not gonna do it like how you wanna do it here just so. It's just a DIY, so yeah, I legit just put me here in a 4. Just the edges, mama. I feel like I need to go wash my hand for tip on the people on YouTube. But so I just put me here in a 4 from about 10, So I just take out one, put the contraption on it, and then yeah, just wash it on. I just want to go, in my ear. Just spice. So I am going to mix up the thing now. Of course, I never wear that to Japan because they not have it. And if them do have something like it, not gonna work on my hair. So now mix it up. I don't even know if I have a container. I don't have no brushes. I just use 2 brushes. I'm telling you, so this is a DIY. Mommy, so I'm just video it. So nobody in the comments come judge me about say, yeah. So I'm gonna mix it up and then I'll come back.